Want to update Wintoys to the latest version? Keeping Wintoys up to date helps you get the newest features, bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility updates for Windows. In this guide, I'll show you how to update Wintoys step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu or the taskbar. Since Wintoys is distributed through the Microsoft Store, this is the easiest way to install the latest available version. Next, select Library from the left-hand menu. This section lists the apps you've installed from the Microsoft Store and shows whether updates are available. You know, it's a good place to manage all of your store apps. Now click the Get Updates button. The Microsoft Store will check for new versions of your installed apps, including Wintoys. I mean, if an update is available, it will begin downloading and installing automatically. Allow the download and installation to complete. The time required depends on the size of the update and your internet connection. Once it's finished, you'll see that Wintoys is ready to launch with the latest version. Finally, open Wintoys and verify that everything works as expected. Yeah, after updating, you can explore any new features or improvements that may have been added. If Windows requests a restart after updating other system components, it's a good idea to restart your computer, and that's how to update Wintoys. Checking for updates regularly helps keep the application secure, stable, and compatible with the latest Windows features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.